Hi, my name is Richard. Welcome to Sudoku School, lesson number 7. First step is square A1, location 8. Square A1 is over there, location 7 is here, and we are looking for number 7. Location 8 is here, we're looking for number 7. As you see, this row exists number 7, this row exists number 7. There's one available space in square A1 for number 7 is over there. Next step is square B3, location 6. Square B3 is over there, location 6 is this, and we are looking for number 1. As you see, number 1 exists in this row and number 1 exists in this column. There's one available space for number 1 in square B3 is over there. Next step is square B3, location 5. Square B3 is over there, location 5 is this, and we are looking for number 4. As you see, this row number 4 already exists, and this row number 4 already exists. One available space for number 4 in square B3 is over there. Next step is square B1, location 8. Square B1 is over there, location 8 is over there, and we're looking for the numbers after elimination from this square B1, from this row, and from this column. That is, first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this will be 8, and this is 9. And next step is square C1 in location 3. Square C1 is over there, location 3 is over there, and we're looking for number 8. As you see, on this row number 8 already exists, and this column number 8 already exists, and this column number 8 already exists. There's one available space for number 8, and in square C1 is over there. Next step is square A3, location 2. Square A3 is over there, and location 2 is over there, and we're looking for number 1. As you see, in this row number 1 already exists, in this row number 1 already exists, and this column number 1 already exists. There's one available space in square A3 for number 1 is over there. Square C1 is over there, location 9 is over there. As you see, in this column, number 1 already exists. In this row, number 1 already exists. And one available space for number 1 in square A1, it's over there, some of these 3 locations. And this row already number 1 exists, and this row already number 1 exists because it will be over there somewhere. There's one available space for number 1 in square C1. C1 is over there. And next step will be square C3, location 1. square C3 is over there, location 1 is over there. If we're looking for the number by elimination from square C3, from this row and from these columns, and 1 is over there, 2 is over there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this will be 9 over there. Next step will be square 8, 3, location 3. Square A3 is over there, location 3 is over there. You're looking for number 2. As you see in this row, 2 already exists, and in this row, in this square B3, number 2 has to be somewhere over there in this free location. There's one available space. This 2 row, number 2 already exists. There's one available space for number 2 in square 8, 3 is over there. Next step is square C3, location 3. Square C3 is over there. A location 3 is over there. You're looking for number 6. As you see, in this square, number 6 has to be somewhere in this row. And this row, number 6 already will be exist. And as you see, number 6 already exists in this column. And in square C1, number 6 has to be in these columns, these two locations. And these columns also number 6 already exist. This column number 6 already exists. This column number 6 already exists, and this row number 6 has to be somewhere and already exists. There's one available space for number 6 in square C3 is over there. Next step is square C3, location 2. Square C3 is over there, location 2 is over there, and this will be for number 7. Only one number in this row. It's missing. This will be this location for number 7. Next step is square B3, location 9. Square B3, location 9 is over there, and we're looking for number 2 by elimination from this square and from this column. As you see, 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this location in square B3 is for number 2. Next step will be 2 numbers in 2 locations in square B2. As you see, this is square B2 location 1 and square B2 location 4. Square B2 is over there, and is 2 locations, location 1 and location 4 in square B2. And these 2 locations will be for number 1 and number 8. As you see in this row, number 8 and number 1 already exist. In this row, number 1 and number 8 already exist. And in this column, number 8, in this column, number 1 and number 8 already exist. In this row, number 1 and number 8 already exist. And these 2 locations in this square will be number 1 and number 8. Next step, be square B2 location 3. Square B2 is over there, location 3 is over there, and this will be a location for number 4. As you see, number 4 in this row already exists, number 4 in this column already exists. This 2 empty location is reserved bar number 1 and number 8. There's one available space for number 4 in square B2 is over there. The next step is square A2 location 6. Square A2 is over there, location 6 is over there, and we're looking for number 4. As you see, number 4 already exists in this row. Number 4 already exists in this row. And one available space for number 4 in this square is over there. The next step will be square B2 location 1. Square B2 is over there and location 1 is over there. As you see, number 8 already, and this location on the square B2 location 1 will be for number 8. As you see, number 8 already exists in this row. In this row, there is one available space for number 8, and square A2 is over there in these two locations. Looking for number 1 in this location. Number 8 is in this row already exists, and number 8 will be exist in this location. In this location, number has to be number 1, because 8 has to be somewhere over there in this square, because this row is already exists for number 1, and this square number 8 has to be into this location that already exists. In this location will be number 1 or in square B2. Next step is square B2 location 4. Square B2, it's over there, and location 4 is over there. This will be for number 8 because 1 exists on the above, and this will be for number 8. Next step is square C2 location 5. Square C2, it's over there. In location 5 is over there. You're looking for number 1. As you see, in this row, number 1 already exists. In this row, number 1 already exists. In this column, number 1 already exists. And this column, number 1 already exists. There's one available space for number 1 in square C2 is over there. Next step is free location for 3 numbers. It's square B2 location 7, square B2 location 8, and B2 location 9. Square B2 is over there, is free location 7, 8, 9. And this free location will be reserved for number 3, 5, 6. As you see, number 3 exists in this column, in this square. In this square will be in this 2 location for number 3. Number 5 already exists in this row, and number 5 exists in these columns. Number 5 has to exist in square C2 somewhere in this location. In this row, number 5 already exists also. It has to be somewhere over there. And number 6 exists in these 2 rows. 1 and exists in this row, then somewhere has to be in this free location. But this free location is reserved for 3 numbers, 3, 5, 6. We don't know when, but 3, 5, 6 has to be in these 3 locations. Next step is square A2 location 7. Square A2 location 7 is over there, and this is location is for number 7. As you see in this row, number 7 exists in this column. You cannot be number 7, and number 7 exists in this column, and in this place cannot be number 7. There's one available space for number 7 in this free empty location is over there. It's over there. Next step is 2 location for 2 numbers. As you see, this is square A2 location 2 and square A2 location 8. It's 2 location for 2 numbers. Square A2 is over there, and we consider these 2 locations. And 2 locations is reserved for number 2 and 9, because you see in this column number 9 and number 2 already exist. Like the one available space in this square for number 2 and number 9 is in 2 locations. Next step is square A2 location 3. Square A2 is over there, location 9 is over there, location 3 is over there, sorry, and this will be for number 8. As you see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This will be for number 8. Thank you. See you soon in lesson 8.